Hi guys! Welcome back to B.L.A.K.E Academy. What you can see here is an intelligence white book. It actually comes with a white pen. So, in this episode, we will find out what is inside this white book. What are the contents of this white book? How to operate this white book and what are its functions. Let's go!
Turn it on first. Turn it on. Okay, and then press start. Very good. Tsaka na siya magamit sa libro. Press start. Start! Turn it on. And press start. Where's the start button? Okay, very good.
Cage. What's that? Hairs. Cage. Pencil. Lesson. Cancel.
it is the wrong one. It does not correspond to what you are pressing. So, if you press the start button and then you press this one, that would say, and if you press this one, so it now corresponds to what you are pressing. And so, if you want to use this button, it says read, also, there is another button on this page. It says question. Let's see what does this mean.
Where is the father?
Brother.
Wow! Where is the father?
Father. It says father. Where is the father?
You're excellent. Where is the student?
Student. Where is the student?
Where is the doctor?
Doctor. So, if you will choose the wrong answer, then the book will know that you're pressing the wrong answer.
Where is the doctor?
Doctor.
You're right. Where is the teacher?
So, if you want to go to the next page, again, make sure to press the start button. So, you can press this one. Or you can again choose this button. It says read.
Helicopter, bicycle, ambulance, police car, motorcycle.
And if you want to use this button, question. So if you are ready and want to answer questions,
Where is the truck?
truck. So you can find the answer.
You're so clever. Where is the police car?
Police car.
You're excellent. Where is the motorcycle?
And if you will press the wrong answer, the white book will be able to know.
Wow! Where is the motorcycle?
So the correct answer is this one.
Great. Where is
And then if you want to change to another page, make sure again to press the start button, because if you will not, what you will press will not correspond.
Wow! Where is the
Okay, so press the start button. And so if you press this one,
giraffe? Pig.
okay, so as you can see at the top, it has similar buttons: the volume down, volume up, read, question, switch, then the start button. Okay, the next page, it has similar buttons: volume down, volume up, read, question, switch, start button. Make sure to press the start button. Okay, so if you want the book to read it for you, you can press read.
Strawberry, orange, cantaloupe, pomelo, grapes, banana,
And if you want to stop it, just press this one.
lemon,
Okay, and if you want to change to another page, again, press start. So,
0, 1, 2, 3.
okay, and then this page can also use this button.
0, 1.
Okay, but then you forgot to press the start button. Press start first. Okay, so that when you press it, it will correspond. And then you can press this button. let's go back to the first page. Okay, let's press start first. Don't forget. And then you can choose.
G,
Oh, you didn't press start correctly.
N, A, E, C,
Okay. You can press this button.
A, E, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
And lastly, if you want to turn it off, just press the switch button. And it says bye-bye. Okay, so that's it. That's how you use the Y book. And by the way, we haven't used the Y pen yet.